welcome back to PQF Academy. As always, I want to say thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and sharing the video. It means a lot to me, and I really do appreciate it. Want to say, if you see the mess in the back, want to say sorry for right now. I am getting my studio more, I am redoing my studio to get it more functional for myself, because of vending season coming up pretty shortly. I want to go ahead and try to be able to have it more of a manufacturer type thing. Matter of fact, I'll even show you guys my studio real quick. Like I said, it is kind of a mess right now, but I'll go ahead and... So this is the entrance to the studio. And basically that's, as you can see, I got a bunch of stuff here. I got some bags that are here that I have made. I'm actually got them all spread out because, like I said, I'm cleaning up, trying to get this more functional. That's where I take my pictures at. Got some trash and stuff everywhere. So there, yeah, so there you go. That's just a tour of the studio of what it looks like now. Hopefully, the next time we talk, you'll see it. You'll see what I'm talking about a little bit different. All right. A tour of my studio, where all the magic happens, where I sew at and everything. But I also want to say thank you to a lot of everybody that watched Sewing for a Profit, our very first video last Wednesday. I do want to say thank you guys, and to the people who are, everybody that signed up for the newsletter. If you have not signed up for the newsletter, you will receive it. It will be in the description below on how to sign up with the newsletter. It does come with a bag making journal that we have, that I am giving away for free. That was also explained in the video on how to use it. I would say next Wednesday I'm going to show you more in depth on how to use it, and we're going to go over some other things also when it comes to pricing your items. All right. Always remember, every other Monday and every other Thursday now. Monday is where we make our pattern, and Thursday is where we actually sew the bag together. And every other Wednesday is where I'm going to be teaching you how to turn this into a business, if you like. It's also going to be some financial literacy in there also, and also on how to save on taxes while having, a studio in your home, or a sewing studio in your home. This can go good for crafting, or any type of crafting there is. Okay, so as I had said, if you're in the newsletter, you know that today is, my wife wants a Longchamp bag. I may be saying it wrong, but she wants a red one. She asked me if I can possibly do it. I actually went out and I kind of looked at it. We have a mall. One of our malls have a Longchamp. They have stuff in there that has Longchamp. I'm probably saying this 100% wrong. It's gonna be, as you can see, it's right here. I have it posted up what it is that we're doing. But I actually looked at it and I'm like, hey, I think I can do it with the pattern. I honestly think that I can make this bag with the pattern. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making that bag. So let's go ahead and get started. So it looks like it's really just a simple couple of simple measurements, to be honest with you. It looks like the height, I'm going to do the height to about 17. I think that's what I said in the newsletter. About 17 inches high. About 17 inches high, and then about 18 inches wide. You do about 18 inches wide. I'm going to draw this down. 17 inches. Yeah, one thing you see right here, I always have a diagram. If you ever, I don't think anybody ever noticed that, but I always have a diagram just to make sure I get the measurements and everything right. So it's 18 is the width, and 17 is the height. And now, as far as the depth goes, it looks like it's going to be about 3 inches one way, 3 inches width, and then 2 inches, 2 inches going down. So And you know me, I'm a rebel, so I like to go ahead and just go on the other side and just do it that way. Instead of, you know, like I said, you guys can always just go ahead and cut. Cut it and mirror it. But me, you know me, I'm a rebel. And as for the strap is going to be about 1.5 inches long. I mean, 1.5 inches wide. I mean, height wise. So we're going to do 1.5. I think we may have a pattern for it, but I'm not really sure. So I'm going to do this 1.5 inches that way, and then it's 19 inches long. Okay. So you're looking at it about being 19 inches long. And that's really the measurements. That's it. That's really your measurements. All right, so that's your strap. And this is going to be exterior and lining. We cut 2, cut 2. That's really it. That's the only thing that we need is just the strap, like I said, 19, 1.5, cut 1. That's it. That's all we need. Go ahead and get this cut out, and then I'll meet you back face to face. All right, so we have everything cut out. Hopefully I know what I'm doing. Like I said, I've never heard of this bag. My wife said she wanted one. So I'm gonna see if I can make it for her. I know it's not gonna be an authentic one, but she kind of asked me to make it. Whenever it's really funny because whenever my wife goes, "Hey, can you make such a bag?" It's really her saying, "Hey, can you get me this bag?" It's really her saying, "Can you make it?" So I'm gonna make this bag for her, and here's my 2 pieces that it looks like I only needed. I'm gonna do a 16-inch zipper. So if you can find a 16-inch zipper, use that. I'm also gonna grab my tab piece that we've made before. It looks like on the edge of the bag, it looks like there's there's a tab on it, but it's like I don't know, like it's almost there for decorations, but it looks like that's a part of the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and create this bag for her. I think I may do a zipper pocket in the front, see if that's something she likes, is something she wants. I also may do a maybe a shoulder strap also for her. See if that's something she would like, or she just wants it just the way that it comes. So on Thursday, that's going to be a surprise as far as like the zipper pocket goes, and putting the actual tabs on as far as like making it a shoulder strap. So yeah, if you have not signed up to the newsletter, please go ahead and sign up to the newsletter. Remember, every other Wednesday we talk business. Monday and Thursday. Monday is always going to be the same. Monday we create the pattern, and Thursday we make the bag. So we're doing that every other week. Also, remember, both of them are at 7. Everything it will premiere 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, as always, thank you for tuning in to PQF Academy.